Hey, Gooders, Mr. Welch here. Some good news. The Golden Globe will continue virtually the rest of the school year. That basically means we have three, actually, really maybe two more chances to destroy Mr. Sawyer's hopes, dreams, and possibly even his soul. So, how are we going to practice to make sure we can keep that trophy in our possession? On Schoology, where you're going to find any kind of practice materials is going to be in our green folder, Spring 2020 Distance Learning. Click on that. Each unit we're going to go to for the rest of the school year is going to be in this folder. So Unit 9 is the one we're going to currently work on, and that's Sub-Saharan Africa. I'm going to show you what it looks like for this unit, and then going forward, Unit 10, Unit 11, Unit 12, as we go through the rest of the school year, it's going to be the same type of assignment post. So when you click on the unit folder, it's going to be the very first thing in there, and it's going to be called Africa Countries or Asia Countries Golden Globe Quiz, okay? When you open that up, your screen's going to look a little bit different than that, but you're going to see three things on here. You're going to see a link to the map practice. That's going to be the same website that you normally will use. That's the Shepherd software. So if you open that up, it takes you to Shepherd software, right? Otherwise, the second thing that's kind of cool, Mr. Sawyer and I added this, is there's going to be a leaderboard posted, and it's just going to be a Google form. You can compete against your fellow classmates, both in my class or in your first or second hour class, and then also in any of Mr. Sawyer's classes. And you get to post your time that you got when you got 100%. So if you open up the form, it's going to look like this. And all you got to do is type your first and last name and then put the time in there. So if you got 72 seconds, put the time on there, hit submit, and then the way you check the results of the times, if you click on this link here, this will take it to the leaderboard. And right now, nobody's posted on there, but it'll keep showing up. You can actually go back and edit your answer. So if you submitted one time, if you click on this link again to get to the form, you should be able to edit your time on there. So if you start off with like a 60 seconds or 75 seconds and you get 74 seconds, you can go back and edit that. But that's going to be kind of a fun thing to compete. And then eventually, when the dates are set for your competition, for your quiz, this is going to be where you're going to actually submit your scores. So the way we're going to do this virtually is you're going to do a screenshot with your Chromebook. The way that you do that, I explain it right here in the directions. You hold down the control key and the shift key at the same time. And while you're holding those keys down, you click on the little button that's near like your numbers and your keyboard for switching a window. And when you do that, you are going to get a little plus button that shows up on your screen. And once you get that, you just have to click and drag a box around your score with the percent. And that'll save a picture to your Google Drive. And then for you guys over here on your screen, you're going to have like a submit assignment button over on the top right. You're going to click that, and there's a way to add a photo by your Google Drive. So that's going to be the way you complete the Golden Globe quiz. As of right now, we don't have a time set for this first one, but when that happens, there will be a date that'll show up on your Schoology account. If you want to start practicing now, you can. You're going to be doing all of Africa, which is going to be the review of North Africa from before break, and then you can go region by region. I just played it for the first time today and I got about a 90%, so I'm a little rusty too. So I will be competing against you as well. Mr. Sawyer told me he's already got 100%, so he's a little bit ahead of the game, but we will destroy him. Have a good day.